I am Dr. R.N. Samanto. Basically, I am a surgeon and I am working as a Chief Executive Officer of Kalinga Institute of Medical Science and Pradhanabal Memorial Hospital, and this is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In eastern part of India, the healthcare facilities were much less improved than as it was in the other part of the country, as in western part of India and in the southern part of India. Of late, the health facilities have started developing in the eastern part of India, but still it is in rural areas, it is the same as it is in the other parts of the India, and so also in the government hospitals. But we have one added responsibility of the big tribal population that we have in our state, and we are all trying, the government and the private sector are trying to take care of the tribal population by establishing hospitals very close to them and putting specialist services for them, and transportation by ambulances from small villages to the hospitals. So now everybody is trying their best to treat the poor and the tribal population of eastern India. KIMS started, the Pradhanabal Memorial Hospital started as a small hospital in 2004 with 350 beds, and now we have a bed strength of 1700 beds with all the specialties and the super specialties and the general hospital as a whole, and we are catering service to the patient, especially the poor patients from different parts of the state and also from outside. We have our own specialties with us. All the super specialty doctors are with us, all the general discipline doctors are with us, and we run our hospital on regular basis and giving service to in all the specialties. The mission and vision of my founder is, the mission is to give the best of the service to the poor and the downtrodden at the minimum cost and the quality service to them. And the vision is, we will try to make it as one of the best hospitals in the eastern part of India, and we are also in the process of doing that.
What sets KIMS apart from other hospitals? How do you compare your hospital with others?
KIMS, the vision of our founder is very clear. He wants to give the quality treatment at a very, very lesser cost to the poorest community and to the poor of the state and also the adjoining states. He is a big philanthropist, so we are all following him and we are trying to give the quality treatment to the poor at a very minimal cost. And sometimes, in spite of that, when they are not able to afford to that, we are also putting some discounts, rebates for them at our cost. We in KIMS and Pradhanabal Memorial Hospital have agreements with the companies, and we always keep the medicines from the reputed companies. We never encourage the spurious companies to give any drugs to us, and we are very particular about it to see and ensure that the medicines from all A-grade companies or GMP certified companies are brought to our pharmacy. Ours is completely computerized system. We have our HMS system and we have an agreement with TCS. Similarly, we are very choosy in selecting our equipment and instruments, and we always try to get the best quality instruments and equipments for the patients, for our hospital, whatever cost may be, even though we are sometimes not in a position to afford that, but we do. Like we have the best operating neurosurgical microscope which we have got from Leica, and it is one of its kind in Odisha and second in the eastern part of the India. Secondly, we have a good number of instrument equipments from G Healthcare, and for example, we have a cath lab, we have MRI, we have CT scan, we have mammography, and we have one or two ventilators, and this is all GE, and so on and so forth. We have got so many instrument equipments from so many reputed companies from India and abroad. So we don't compromise. Now IT is a big challenge for everybody, and our hospital is completely under the IT control, and everything is done through the HMS, Hospital Management System. So we are using the product from TCS, and we are using thoroughly from outdoor to the indoor, from admission to discharge, we are using this system. As a doctor, I feel the role of family physician is very, very important, because they are the first doctors to diagnose a problem and treat them, or if necessary refer them to the nearest hospital. So the role of the family physician is very, very pivotal and important, and it should be impressed upon the public. The role of the private family physician is very, very important, and it should be there. It has to be there. You see, there is a big generation gap. Now everybody has become technology savvy. So, if right from the patients to doctors, we are focusing more on the technology rather than our clinical acumen. But technology has its own role and clinical acumen has its own role. And the doctor's profession is, as of now, is treated as the noble profession. So, in our hospital, we are always insisting that the doctor-patient relationship should be the best of relationship, and we are insisting and we are trying, and I am very sure that to a great extent we have been successful for implementing this practice in our hospital. But as a whole, the relationship is definitely diminishing due to various factors. One is the trust deficit, another is the technology, third is the prompt cure that the patient wants. So, this is the reason. We have a future plan of establishing another super specialty hospital, a total complete cancer care hospital, and a new block is coming up in our hospital, and very soon we will be starting our cancer cure department there, and we will also start some other departments which you do not have right now, like the department of hematology, and we want to do our cardiac center is the center of excellence, the department of neurosurgical hospital as a center of excellence, and so also the other departments we have with us, the rheumatology department, and we have very, very prominent doctor there, which for whom we are facing to give appointment to the patients. So, the future plan is to give the best of healthcare to the public of Orissa and outside at the cheapest cost, and will establish almost all the disciplines available in the medical fraternity in future. Very recently, we are planning to have a tie-up with a company about the genomic study of the patient, and subsequently maybe we will establish the center for genomics, that is MapMine Genome, Hyderabad. We have a medical college attached to the President Noble Memorial Hospital, where we are admitting 150 students every year for the last 2 years, and a set of doctors are set aside for them. We have clinical and non-clinical departments and the paraclinical departments, and the teachers are giving them the best of possible education, and many of our students have got their honors gold medal from Utkal University and from our university, and you will be very glad to know that last year for these 150 seats we had an application of around 84,000 students pan India. So, that is our medical college, and that is our reputation about the medical college.